Hello and welcome to How to Solve YouTube channel, where we share tips and tricks in just a minute.
Hello guys, it's me again, back with a new video. In this video, I will show you how to find the glamour effect in Instagram. So first, you are going to open your Instagram account. And after that one, click on the plus sign below your profile picture. And there you can see the camera icon. Just click on it. And then there on the lower portion, you can see there a magnifying lens with effects. Click on it. And then just search, type down bold glamour effect. After that one, it will show you some effects. You just need to click on it. And after that one, here let's try. So see the yellow arrow, that is the effect.
Please like and subscribe for more content, and also don't forget to click on the notification bell so you'll be notified whenever we post a new video. We'll see you next time.